Let's talk impact drilling. Now face it, when it comes to tools, everything isn't created equal, especially when we're talking about drill bits. Now take a look at this, the competition. And here's Dewalt. They're made for the same purpose. The only difference is this one's going to make a hole in materials that this one's hardly going to scratch. Dewalt's drill bits have a patented web taper that allows us to produce a bit core 2 times thicker than that of a standard bit and 5 times more durable. Not only is Dewalt's bit thicker, it has a one-piece design. Now here's a little show and tell for you. See how the competition snapped? Joint failure. Dewalt's new impact-ready bits feature a one-piece integral design that outlasts all existing 2-piece designs on the market today. And with Dewalt's proprietary pilot point tip, drilling is easier than ever. You get increased speed, longer life, truer holes. Bottom line, your bit won't walk all over the surface of the metal when you try to start a hole. In fact, the only walking you have to worry about with these bits is some chump walking off with them when you're not looking. So keep them close.